Okay, so today we're going to talk about the horse stance, which is a basic sort of like a squat position that you're going to do. You're going to try to keep your core tight. You're going to not bend too far over. You're going to not bend too far back. You want to put your legs as wide as you can get them. The video, you'll see a video of myself and my son. He's doing a more advanced version. I'm doing a little basic version because I just started this exercise. But it's a very good low impact exercise for women in our season lives, something that doesn't put too much stress on us, but very effective and doesn't take a lot of time. So you can do this, say you're watching TV, you get up, do some stretching, and then you decide you're going to do a horse stance for 10 seconds, 15, 20, whatever it is that you can work yourself up, do maybe 3 sets of that particular portion. Okay, so I got my legs wide. I'm wearing shorts on. This is shorts attached. Okay, so my legs are wide. I don't have my knees turned in. They are basically turned outwards. All right? So as wide as your leg is comfortable for you. And then you try to keep that core tight, and you're going to squat. And you're just going to hold it. You can let your arms drop. You can fold them up here. You can even hold on to a chair. I got a chair right here. You can hold on to a chair for a little comfort. And if that's like too difficult for you, you can turn to the side. You're still squatting. You don't want to lean too far forward. You don't want to lean too far back. And you're just resting your arm. You're not putting your weight on that arm. Your weight should be here. Your legs are doing all the work, not leaning on the chair like that. Okay, so you're just using the chair to keep your balance. And you start feeling this very quickly, very quickly. Once again, the tight core. Whew, very good for your legs, your knees, your hips. Really, these are all important things that we need to keep strong during our season lives. Make sure you're stretching. Make sure you're talking to a doctor if you change your workout. I'm just giving you an example of things that you can do. Don't take a lot of time, that are very low impact and very effective for your body. Okay? If this is something that you want to see more of, it's a free way to support my channel. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification buttons so you don't miss any of my upcoming wellness videos. Let me know what you want to see, because I am working out because, hey, we only got one life, and I want to be around as long as I can. I want to be strong as long as I can. So I am squatting down again, pushing a chair away. You'll see a more advanced with my son. I'm just starting, so this is my comfort level right here. My knees are back. Got a nice posture, tucked in my tummy here. And I'm just gonna hold. Make sure you're breathing. Don't hold your breath. Low impact. You start to feel it. Helps tighten up all your muscles, your glutes. Keeps your knees strong. We need these legs. We gotta walk with these legs. You gotta keep them strong, ladies. Doesn't take a lot of effort to do a horse stance. Start small. Start with 5 seconds. Whew. Whatever it is, make sure you're stretching. Make sure you talk to your doctor before you start any exercise. All right, Wednesday Wellness. Have a great day.